So this is ISI 2020 PEA. Question number 2. How many ordered pairs of numbers xy, where xy belongs to between 1 to 100, such that mod x minus y less than equal to 50? Okay. Multiple ways to do this. First method, let me show it to you. So, case 1, when x is equal to y, okay, how many cases will there be? 1, 1, 2, 2, 100, 100. How many cases? 100 cases. Second case, x not equal to y. Okay, let's take the first case where x is less than y. Okay, x is less than y. So possible combinations are 1, 1 happens with 2, 1 will happen with 3, 4, up to 51. So how many numbers are there? 1 will happen with 49 numbers, such that 1 is less than 2, less than 3, less than 51. So 49 numbers will happen, correct? Right? 50 numbers will happen. 1 less than 2, less than 3. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, like this. Similarly, will happen with 2, will happen with 3, 4, up to 52. Less than equal to 50, right? So this will again be 50 numbers, correct? Similarly, it will go on till 50, 50, x less than y, 51, till 100, 50 numbers, correct? So 50 into 50, okay, is 2500. So 2500 cases are there such that 1 less than 2, 1 less than 3, 1 less than 4, dot dot 1 less than 51, okay, 2 less than 3, 2 less than 4. Equality has already been considered here, okay. So like this, all these numbers, all these cases will be there. Now, I only considered a case 1, 3, right? I did not consider the case 3, 1. I only considered the case 1, 3. I did not consider the case 3, 1. Correct? So this will be multiplied by 2. Why multiplied by 2? Because this was x less than y. There will be similarly a case where x will be greater than y. That is why I multiplied by 2. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and the reverse. So I multiply by 2. 5,000 cases. Okay. This is still 50. Now what happens from 51? 51, this will be 52 to 100 only. So how many numbers are there? 49 numbers. Similarly, 52 will have 53 up to 100. 48 numbers. Correct? 99 will have only 1, such that x less than y. So 1. So 1 plus dot dot up to 49. So if the first number is 99, 1 case, first number is 98, 2 cases, first number is 97, 3 cases, so on and so forth. So what will happen is, how many cases will there be? correct? 49 into 50 by 2. But again, I'll have that case 52 comma 51. Greater one is the first, lesser one is the second. So multiplied by 2. 49 into 50. 49 into 50 is 2450. Right? So 2450 plus 5000 plus what we found out when x is equal to y. Option C. Okay. So this is a process where I consider when x is equal to y, 100 cases, x is less than y, I'll get these cases and these cases. But then another case will be x is greater than y, which is nothing but x less than y multiplied by 2. So therefore I have 5000 cases here, and from here I'll get 2450 cases. Add them, plus 100, 7550. 1 plus 2 plus dot dot 49. Summation of the first n integers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So 49 into 50 by 2. Then multiplied by 2 because I consider the x greater than y case also. Okay. Another way to do this would be to consider all cases minus the case where mod x minus y is greater than 50. Okay, so you can think about it in this way also. So what will be considered here? All cases xy belongs to 1 dot dot up to 100. So all cases will be x can be any 100, y can be any 100. All cases will be 10,000 cases. Now x minus y greater than 50. How many cases will there be? If first number is 1, second number can be 52 dot dot up to 100. How many numbers are these? How many numbers are these? These will be 49 numbers. First number 2, 53 up to 100. 48 numbers. Correct? First number 49. It can be only 100. One number. So how many cases are there? 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 49. 49 into 50 by 2. Correct? Right? But then I can have the reverse also. 1 comma 52 is a case. 52 comma 1 is also a case. So multiplied by 2. 2450 cases where x minus y is greater than 50. So total cases minus 2450, all the cases where x minus y is greater than 50. 7550. Same answer. So you can do it in any way. You can do it in the first method where you find out all the cases, or you can do it in this method where I take all the cases minus mod x minus y greater than 50. So you can consider any of the two cases. Okay.